I've been trying out WHOP Clipping over the past few weeks, really digging into how it works, who it's actually made for, and where it falls short. Not a sponsored video at all, just my honest findings so you know what you are signing up for. So first is that you want to go here into WHOP.com and then you want to log in into your account if you already have one. If not, you can just register. It's very easy. And then once you're in, you will now be prompted in here to the dashboard of your WHOP account. And in here, I want you to go here into the Discover page and then go into the Explore tab right here. And then basically, you just want to go here into Content Rewards because this is what we'll be talking about for this video. So click here on See All Content Rewards. And this is just one of the many ways on how you could earn here in WHOP. You have many other options like the affiliate section, your WHOP store, which is here in your dashboard, and many more like in the leaderboards, App Store, and so on. But this is what I'll be focusing on for this video because we'll be creating content that is promoting this channels or platforms right here that needs views. So basically, you can go here into the category wherein you could select personal brand, entertainment products, music, logo, and others. Like for example, this one right here from Dropship. You can click on that. And now in here, you'd be able to see how much you're gonna earn per 1K videos. And you'll see the description in here. Make sure that you understand before you join in here so that you'd have an idea what you're getting into. So as for this one, you can earn up to $1,000 per post showing Dropship IO in action with UGC content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And this would be subjective depending on what content rewards you're choosing right here. Like for example, I'm gonna go for this one. And then as for this one, I would need to apply. And then in here, it's not indicating how much I'm going to earn. And you want to scroll down and basically you'll be able to see more of details regarding this offer. And then you'd be able to see this one right here. You can join the wait list and so on. So yeah, it would really vary depending on which one you chose right here. But in here, you already have the details that you'd need, which is the rate right here. And then if it's really paying out, you can see it right here. So I suggest that you go for something that is really paying out, which has some percentage in here. But take note, if it's too high, then that would mean that you would have a lot of competitors. So if you're just a beginner or you don't have a big channel, you're just starting out, then I suggest that you should go for low percentages, just like this one right here. So yeah. And what I personally recommend is if you're a beginner, you want to go here into music because I think this would be much easier as you just need to incorporate their music into your videos. So for example, here in this creator right here or in this channel or whatever you may call this, you want to click on that. And then in here, you want to go here into the earn tab once you have now joined this offer. And basically, you can see their content rewards in here. So you want to click on that. And then in here, you'd now be able to see the details like this one right here. This is an important notice. So only views after you submit count towards payout. Submit as soon as you post to get paid for all of views. So that is very important that you do this. And then you'd be able to see that this one hasn't paid out yet out of their $2,000 budget. And you can see the rate in here and then the type, minimum payout, maximum payout, and the platforms in here, which is very important. So these are only the eligible platforms. So make sure that you have your channel in these platforms. And also here in the requirements, make sure that you follow all of this. Otherwise, you'll not get your payout. So you must follow all guidelines in the Learn tab. So you can see that right here. So right here, so you can see the guidelines. So you want to view that and make sure that you understand all of this and follow all of this right here. And let's go back and then let's view the requirements again. So there is 5K minimum views to be eligible for payout. So if you are 5K below, then that would mean that you will not be eligible and you will not get the reward, which is 0.25 cents per 1K views. And then you must also use the link audio here in the content rewards, which is this one's right here on the audio requirement. So when you click on that, you will now be prompted into that audio here on that platform. So make sure that you use this audio so that you'd be eligible. But this is only for this offer. Again, it will be subjective depending on the offer that you are viewing. So make sure to read the details before you dive in into doing that offer. And now, one last thing, which is very important, is that before you begin all of that, is that you want to go here into profile. And here you want to go into connected accounts and make sure to connect all the accounts that you used in doing those offers or completing those offers, like your Discord, Telegram, TradingView, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So this is a requirement in order for you to be able to claim your payout. So without this, if you can't connect your account in here, then you wouldn't be able to claim your payout. So make sure that you own the account so that you'd have the permission to add this account in here into your account here on WHOP, like TikTok, for example, wherein you'd need to add a URL, Instagram, URL again, and so on. So you just need to follow the on-screen instruction depending on the kind of account that you are connecting here in WHOP. So yeah, WAP is a really great way for you to start earning money with your channel by promoting this content. And now let me just tell you the drawbacks here in WAP. So many drop because of zero earnings even after a few days, because of minimum views, delayed approvals, or depleted budgets. One analytical test showed no earning after 3 days, so there are those issues here on WAP that users report. Some are even saying that it's not worth your time unless you have a following. Payouts are low, so if you can't do a lot of views, like you're just doing barely the minimum, then it might not be worth it for you. And it is also highly competitive. Only consistently strong clips get paid, and budgets can run dry fast. So take note of that. And yeah, basically that's it for this WAP video. So this is just one of the many of earning here in WAP again. But yeah, you could also explore other ways that you can earn, but I think this one is the best way as of this date. And that's basically it for this video. On this WAP video, on a quick guide and review here on WAP. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.